Hi, and welcome to this Obodux training video. In this video, we're going to move on to the initial hazard review. Now, the initial hazard review is divided into 3 groups, simply because there are quite a few questions. These questions are taken from ISO 24971, which is the guidance document supporting ISO 14971. They're designed to help with the auto-generation of the risk analysis matrix based on the answers you provide in this section here. So let's go ahead and complete this for the heart guard. What is the intended use, and how is the medical device to be used? It's intended to measure the heart rate of patients by placing the heart guard on the upper arm. Is the medical device intended to be implanted? No, it's not implantable. Is the medical device intended to be in contact with the patient or other people? Yes. It's placed on the patient's arm. What materials or components are used in the device or come into contact with it? We'll say it has a polycarbonate body. Is energy delivered to or extracted from the patient? No. No energy transfer. Are substances delivered to or extracted from the patient? No. None at all. Are biological materials processed? No. Biological materials aren't processed. Is the medical device supplied sterile or intended to be sterilized? No. It's not supplied sterile, nor intended to be sterilized. Is the device intended to be routinely cleaned and disinfected by the user? Yes. It can be cleaned using alcohol wipes and left to dry. Does the device modify the patient's environment? No, it doesn't. Are any measurements taken? Yes. The heart rate of the patient. Is the device interpretative? No, it's not interpretative. Is it intended for use alongside other medical devices? No, it's a standalone device. Are there unwanted outputs of energy or substances? No, none. Is the device susceptible to environmental influences? No, it's not. Does the device influence the environment? No, it doesn't. Now, moving on to the second group of questions. Does the medical device require consumables or accessories? No, it doesn't. Is maintenance or calibration necessary? No, neither maintenance nor calibration is required. Does the device allow access to information? Yes. It provides access to the history of heart rates. Does the device store data critical to patient care? No, it stores data, but it isn't critical to patient care. Does it have a restricted shelf life? Yes, approximately 5 years. Are there any delayed or long-term use effects? No, none. What mechanical forces will it be subject to? Just the extension of the elastic strap. What determines the lifetime of the device? The electronic components. Is it intended for single use? No. Multiple use. Is safe decommissioning or disposal necessary? Yes. It falls under the WE directive for electronic components. Does installation or use require special training or skills? No. An IFU, instructions for use, is provided, but it's simple to operate. How is safety information provided? In paper format, supplied with the device. Are new manufacturing processes introduced? No, it uses standard manufacturing processes. Is successful application dependent on the usability of the user interface? Yes. It has a simple interface displaying only the heart rate. Can the user interface design contribute to use error? Possibly. For example, if the button isn't pressed to start monitoring. Now, onto the final group of questions. Is the device used in an environment where distractions might cause use error? No, it's straightforward to use. Does it have connecting parts or accessories? No, none. Does it have a control interface? Yes, a simple button to start and stop heart rate monitoring, plus a settings button for basic adjustments such as text size. Does it display information? Yes, the patient's heart rate. Is the device controlled by a menu? Yes. a settings menu where the user can adjust the minimum and maximum heart rate for audible alerts, and also change the text size. Is successful use dependent on the user's knowledge or skills? No. It's intuitive and can be used by both untrained staff and patients. Will it be used by persons with specific needs? No. It's suitable for all patients. Can the interface be used to initiate unauthorized actions? No, it cannot. Does the device include an alarm system? Yes. It provides audible alerts when the heart rate goes above or below set limits. In what ways might the device be misused, deliberately or otherwise? Not applicable. Is it intended to be mobile or portable? Yes. It's worn on the patient's arm. Does its use depend on essential performance? Yes. Accurate and reliable heart rate monitoring is essential. Does the device have any degree of autonomy? No, it doesn't. Does it produce an output used as an input for clinical action? Yes, the heart rate measurement. And that completes the initial hazard review for the HeartGuard. Once all responses are entered, we can save this section. Thank you for watching this Obodux training video.